What's up, katambayers worldwide? Ito muli ang DJ Rico Tambay, guys. Ito, masasaksihan natin ang muling magtatagpo ng ating si Tita Marley at kasama ang kanyang mga inalagaan at yung kanyang mga amo after 25 years. Woo! Exciting to. Masasaksihan niyo po sa vlog na ito. Let's check this out.
In the mix.
Rico, dito ka na sa tabi. Hinihintay araw at gabi. Sa live mo lagi kitang inabangan. Kahit mahina ang koneksyon dahil nga umuulan, nandito lang kami lahat para ikay suportahan. DJ Rico.
Puntahan natin ang room nila tita at ating alamin ang kanyang nararamdaman. Pati ako na-excite eh. Ikaw ba na nanonood ng video na ito? Anong mararamdaman mo kung muli mong makikita ang mga taong naging parte na ng buhay mo at makalipas ang 2 dekada ay muli mo silang makikita? Here we go! And so anong nararamdaman mo sa mga oras na ito? Dahil after 25 years, kayo ay muling magkikita-kita at magkakasama-sama.
Okay, I don't know how to express my feelings. What I want to say is I am so overwhelmed because of you. Because of you. Because of you. This is your blood.
May iyakan ba mga ganap mamaya?
I don't think so.
Yan ang abangan natin, guys, kung ano yung mararamdaman nila sa isa't isa. Sila magkikita-kita after 25 years. Woo! Let's go and let's see what's gonna happen next. Hi. Tara. Habang kami bumibiyahe papunta sa bahay ng kanyang dating employer, kwentuhan at tawanan kami sa loob ng sakyan. Dahil muling sinasariwa ni tita ang mga pangyayari noon habang ikinikwento kay Daniel na siyang panganay na anak ng kanyang amo. At habang papalapit kami sa bahay, tinatanong ko si tita kung may naalala pa ba siya sa mga dinadaanan namin. Ang sagot niya ay malaki ng pinagbago nito. At kakaiba na ang mga bahay noon at sa ngayon. Wala na siyang matandaan maliban sa pangalan ng kali na parehas pa rin hanggang sa ngayon. Hanggang sa makarating kami sa bahay. At doon niya muling nasilayan ang bahay na kanyang pinagtrabahuan ng 6 na taon. At eto na nga, habang papasok pa lang kami ng gate, ay parang gusto niya nang bumaba at pumasok sa bahay. Andun ang pakiramdam na hindi mo maunawaan. At hanggang sa dumating ang mga tagpong ito. Ayun.
County, I want to go.
DKH. Yan guys, kami maglalakad pupunta sa restaurant. Kasamang amo ni tita. Yan na yung kanya. So ito yung bahay na tinirahan niya for 6 years. That was 25 years ago. So hindi niya ma-recognize yung inon dito. Itong area na to kasi marami ng mga pagbabago nangyari. So ayan. Kwentuhan muna sila at may tingnan natin kung ano meron doon sa restaurant. Right guys, yan. Dito na kami sa restaurant. Check natin kung ano yung magiging reaction nila sa kanilang muling pagkikita at pina-reserve yung mga upuan dito. Yeah. Dito tayo. Ay, thank you. Dito na tayo sa restaurant. Ganun ko lang yung camera ko para masyadong hindi halata. Ah, dito na pala sila. Ayan, no. Oh, what you miss in this place?
I miss my kids before.
What's her name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Ah, my wife is also Michelle's name. My wife. So, is it okay to take a video?
Video.
What things do you remember?
Oh, what things are?
Or that was 25 years. You were at
Good one, ah.
you were at what age before?
Tell him a good one, ah.
What age? You were what age?
She'll bring me from my classes. Bring me from my class.
Ballet class, yeah.
Ballet class.
Yeah.
I feel
And she
scary.
she yeah, I remember she read Bible stories to me.
Oh.
And then she prayed for us.
So you were at what age before?
I think that was around
6.
yeah, primary one.
So they were what age before? Daniel is what? Daniel was 12. 12 years old.
Only at 7 years old when I arrived. You still using party before.
I'm so thin,
Still using the party before. While watching TV, he's still using his milk bottle. You remember, I'm teaching you to feed you because I don't want you that you don't eat. Then you come back.
So what things you remember to Michelle?
Oh, Michelle is, he likes to sing.
She likes to sing what?
She likes to draw. She likes to sing the, what's it? I forgot. The,
What she was at what age before?
I think it's
Six.
six.
Spice Girls.
Yeah, Phantom of the Opera. Yes.
You got it right.
Yeah.
Then,
Charmaine is
Charmaine?
just a little one. I scared to touch her because her skin is very soft. My skin is so dark and she's so white. It's so scared to touch her. I might get her dirty. That's our story.
So how about you guys? What you remember about that? Because they were still kids.
Yeah, this one is premising when I left. I think Michelle is 4 and Charmaine is 4. He's a vlogger.
Because it's been 25 years and it was her dream to come back
Did
here.
you hear Michelle what
Come again?
Michelle said?
Oh, you're not teenage.
When they are naughty, I scold them.
And you know what?
Because God told me, answer, if they are naughty, you can scold them. He told me.
Yeah.
You are the king.
Because I told my aunt I will bring her back here. So that's why. And then today is her birthday actually. That's why it's my travel trip. It's a, yeah. That's why.
This is a big gift for me that I saw you for.
That's it. That's what is his to be with you guys. Yeah. Tan taran tan tan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish come true.
You are the room why I am here right now. It's like another family here in Singapore. Malaman, sir, with these 3 kids before, but now they're already grown up. Oh, see?
Okay. Thank you.
With all of us.
Have the story also. The chairs, tables.
Yeah.
Minsan iniisip natin ng ating pinapangarap ay magkakaroon pa kaya ng katuparan? Posible kaya ng isang panaginip ay magkatotoo? Sa nangyari kay Tita Merly, masasabi natin na walang imposible basta ba magtiwala lang at magantay sa tamang panahon dahil ang Diyos lang ang nakakaalam kung kailan ito mangyayari. Hindi masama ang mangarap dahil may mga tao talaga na ginagawang kasangkapan ng ating Panginoon para ang ating mga pangarap ay magkaroon ng katuparan. Pagmamahal ang ating iwan sa mga taong ating pinagsilbihan para kung ang pagkakataon ay dumating man na sila ay ating muling masilayan, saya at tuwa ang ating mararamdaman. Ayan guys, at natapos na tayo. Ito, papaalam na tayo sa amo ng tita ko before. That was 25 years. So, hinatid na kami dito. Napakabait guys. Oh. They are so kind and they brought us here in our hotel. Rest Bogis Hotel, di ba? Sarap naman dahil natid pa tayo. Bye. So, tita. Ano yung mararamdaman mo ngayon? Finally.
Naubos yung English ko.
Tapos English. Oh.
Kaya nakipauwi ako agad. Nagno-nosebleed na ako. I don't know what to say anymore. yung,
I
yung,
saw you so happy.
yes,
Siyempre, di ba?
of course. They are a part of my life already. You know that. They are my family here in Singapore. So, whenever we come here, we already have a feature. Feature?
So if Michelle and Daniel and Charmaine will see this video and your madam and sir, what would you say to them?
Oh, yeah. I must say, thank you. Thank you so much for being very, very good to me.
So ayan guys, dyan po nag-end yung ating vlog for today. Yun, at
Another day
finally,
tomorrow.
they meet. Let's end this vlog by thanking to Daniel, Michelle, and Charmaine, and to Ma'am and Sir for accommodating
Ma'am
us.
Janice, Ma'am
And
Janice,
also
and Sir Pingson.
with Mama Nori and Jobs TV. And would like to thank you to the family of
family.
the whole family. Okay, so that's end
The Ching family.
for our vlog. Thank you so much for the food. Thank you so much for the dinner treat, and thank you for dropping us at the hotel tomorrow. Advance, thank you. All right, right here at Rest Bugis Hotel. Ayan, inatid pa kami dito, guys. Oh. Ito pang DJ Rico Tambay saying God bless, keep safe, Tambay worldwide. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. God bless, keep safe, Tambayers worldwide. Bye! Birthday mo tita ko. So, yung ating pinaka-cake. So, tayo. Puso mo. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Tarang, tan, tan.
How old are you?
Diba? Isa ko sa akin. Okay. Tatlaman minsan.
Lang.
O, diba? Pumunta kami ng 7-Eleven. Kami doon sa pinakamalayo, malapit sa station. Ganap ng cake. Wala nakita. So, ito wala yung cake natin.
Maligayang bata.